روضة ومدارس أكاديمية القادة الدولية International Leaders Academy. Grammar and Conversation Workbook page 85. Exercise number 1. Complete the sentences with the verbs and brackets. Use the past continuous and the past simple. So, as I've explained in the previous video, that we use the past continuous and past simple to talk about two actions. One of them was in progress, that is what the past continuous, and the other interrupted it, that is the past simple. Here we have 6 sentences. We should use the past continuous and the past simple to complete each sentence. In each sentence we have 2 verbs, and we should use the past continuous and the past simple. Here in each sentence we should use the past continuous with one verb, and the other should be the past simple. Here I'm going to write the form of the structure that we are going to follow. As you see here, we have when in each sentence. It joined all the sentences here. So after when we use past simple, so the other verb should be the past continuous. So at the beginning of the sentence we are going to use the past continuous. Then we have when. After when we use past simple, I mean the verb to. Okay, now let's do the exercise together. Sentence number 1. I in the park when I, my friend. Here we have 2 verbs, walk and see. In the same order we should use walk in the first, okay, and then we should use see. But you have to pay attention to the form of the verb, how we use the past continuous and the past simple with these 2 verbs. We should use and follow this structure: the past continuous, then we have when, and then the past simple. So at the beginning, I was walking in the park when I saw my friend. Sentence number 2. Joe across the road when he down. Joe was running across the road when he fall down. Fall, the simple past of fall is fell. Sentence number 3. We at picnic when suddenly it to rain. Have began. We were having a picnic when suddenly it began to rain. Sentence number 4. The scientist late when he a discovery. Work and make. The scientist was working late when he made a discovery. Sentence number 5. Miss Jones in the mall when she her bag. Miss Jones was shopping in the mall when she lost her bag. Finally, sentence number 6. The boys football when they the window play and break. The boys were playing football when they, the simple past of break is broke the window. So that was the first exercise, exercise number 1. Here we are going to do the second exercise. Exercise number 2. Look at the pictures and write sentences. Use the verbs under the pictures. Use the past continuous and the past simple. Here, the past simple, not the past perfect. You should correct it, please. Not the past perfect. The past simply. Okay, so Here we are going to make sentences about each picture. Let's talk about these pictures. Here we should follow the same structure that I've written at the beginning of the page. I'm going to write it here again. We are going to use the past continuous, then when, then the past simple. Okay, according to the pictures, the two pictures in the first sentence, here we have Mrs. May or Miss May. Okay, Mrs. May. Here we have two verbs. We should look at these two pictures and the verbs to recognize which verb was in progress, okay, and which verb interrupted the other one. Mrs. May, okay, what was she doing here in this picture? Mrs. May was I'm going to write it here. Miss May was buying fruits, as we see here, fruit or fruits, okay. When? What happened? What happened with Mrs. May? When she dropped her money. Okay, that was the first sentence. Sentence number 2. What can you see here? Here I can see men. What are they doing? They are climbing. Okay, let's write the sentence following this structure. We should use the past continuous, then we use when, and past simple. Sentence number 2. What were the men doing? What were the men doing? The men were climbing the mountain. When? What happened? What were the men doing? The men were climbing the mountain. Then what happened? When? Let's look at this verb, start. It started to snow. When? It started to snow. Okay, sentence number 3. I'm going to write it here. What can you see at the pictures in 3? We have a boy. Okay, what was he doing? He was watching a TV. Then what happened? The phone rang. So the boy was watching TV. When? What happened? The phone rang. Okay, sentence number 4 is a homework. You should write the sentence here and send it back to me in the WhatsApp. Okay, here we have 2 pictures, and in these 2 pictures you can see children. What were they doing? They were swimming. Then what happened? What did they see? They saw a dolphin. So you can use these notes to write a sentence here. Sentence number 4 is a homework. You can do it and send it back to me in the WhatsApp to check it.